As long as there have been professions, there has been recruitment. While the fundamentals have not changed, the tools available to recruitment agencies have evolved dramatically with the advent of technology, the internet, and the development of the digital space. Sourcing candidates is no longer the task of opportunistic agents, lurking and waiting for the right time and place to make their move by networking and other interpersonal methodology. Advertising is no longer the thing of newspapers, ink, and 5 p.m. deadlines. Screening individuals no longer involves the time and input of slick investigators, psychologists, and qualified researchers. Assessment has also moved far beyond the confines of physical space and time, and prospective candidates no longer need to be subjected to lengthy and costly tests to determine if they have the right characteristics and skills for a particular job. This is the instant age. Success depends on the right information and how quickly it is made available in the easiest and most professional format. Ill-constructed information archives and filing systems are the quickest way to miss out on great opportunities. Busy switchboard, employer demands, important dates, appointments, reminders, schedules, faxes, interviews, schedules, almost beyond humanly possible, one would think. It's hardly any wonder that the front line of most recruitment agencies are often stretched and stressed to the limit. Is your human capital potentially standing in the way of an efficient business process? Ever been at the receiving end of a web developer's techno-speak, battling to understand what it all means? It's no doubt we have all felt better equipped to converse with a brain surgeon than to communicate with our webmaster. Would it not be wonderful to understand and control this fundamental aspect of your business instead of investing it in the hands of professionals who operate in isolation of you, and at a fraction of the cost? What if I were to tell you that there is a way to rise above all this, to become independent of it, to function at a level where the most fundamental elements of candidate and job are left to synchronize, operating beyond the set of rules defined by risky chance and physical circumstance? Seamless administration, intelligent information, intuitive technology, marketing acumen, client relationship management. There is a solution, and it's coming soon.